Best Toilet Paper Dispenser Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular toilet paper dispensers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this toilet paper dispenser so popular in both commercial and home use. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and start using it right away. The one that made our list is the jamar double roll toilet tissue dispenser. This is a universal dispenser that holds most brands of standard and industrial bath tissues up to 5.5 inches. It's ergonomically designed to inhibit bacterial growth and has a unique gentle gravity-assisted return mechanism. Its space-saving design is specially tailored to complement any washroom, and the entire cover is easy to clean, crack-resistant, and meant for long-term use. You can mount this dispenser easily onto most walls, either vertically or horizontally. To check out the full specs of the jamar double roll toilet tissue dispenser and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/toilet paper dispenser. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up. So there you have it, the jamar double roll toilet tissue dispenser. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the entire set, and its overall functionality, we feel that this toilet tissue dispenser is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the jamar double roll toilet tissue dispenser and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/toilet paper dispenser. Alright, thank you for watching.